Okay, today we're going to practice the T sound. And if you haven't already watched my last video on the 5 ways to pronounce the T, you might want to do that because it's very helpful. The T sound can be produced many different ways. They're very slightly different, but they're different. And if you want to sound more American, you might want to know the differences. So let's go ahead and go over some words with the T sound. So these first 2 words are going to have the regular T. Tape, talk. This next one has a middle T, where it's just kind of a soft, somewhere in between T and D sound. Butter. The next couple will have a final T sound, where not much air comes out, but you still put your tongue up behind your teeth. Mat. Light. Light switch. And then the next one, mountain, is where your tongue goes up, but really no sound kind of comes out. It's like a disappearing T. Mountain, mountain. Then we have little, middle T, water, middle T, fountain, disappearing T, caught, final T, tell, initial T, more air, to, initial T, sight, final T, after. Okay, so this is like a regular T because there's a consonant next to it. After, actor, latte. That's more like a regular T because we're really pronouncing that T. Metro, more like a CH on that one, CHR. Metro, voter, middle T. Metal, middle T, bottle, middle T. More like a soft D sound. All right, let's go over these again, and I'm going to pause after each one so that you can practice saying it. Tape, talk, butter, mat, light, light switch, mountain, little, water, fountain, caught, tell, to, sight, after, actor, latte, metro, voter, metal, bottle. Okay, were you able to do the different types of T? If not, just again listen to that last video I did on the different ways and then try this again and see how you do.